Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with another video in our series of Python from basic to advanced. In this video, I will explain what is operator in Python and what are different types of operators in Python. I have already uploaded some videos in Python series. So for better understanding, please to watch those videos before watch this video. And I will also provide link for that video in description box below. Please check out there. Before start this video, if you are new to this channel, please do subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you will get notification whenever we upload a new video. Coming back to our video, Python operators. Operators are used to perform operations on variables or values. These variables also we can call in this whenever you do any operations, those are we called operands. For example, if you take this statement, as we know that 10 plus 20 is equal to 30. This is one statement. In this 10 and 20 are operands, nothing but variables or values, anything. And this plus and equal to are operators that we are going to discuss in this video. And this 30 is output. Operators are nothing but by using operators we can perform the operations. That operation will be done on operands. So here 10 and 20 are operands, plus and equal to are operators, and the 30 is output. For example, whenever you want to do addition, we use plus operator. In below example, I am using that only. 30 plus 20 is equal to 50 as output, and 40 minus 20 is the output, and minus is the operator here, and 20 and 40 are operands, and this is operator, and this total process is operation. And 5 into 20 is 100. If you want to use directly, we can use values. Instead, if you don't want to use any values, we can first declare values by using variable. Here a is equal to 30, I have declared this, and b is equal to 20. Now I am doing operation, that is multiplication operation, by using asterisk or star symbol. A asterisk b means it's a multiplication by b. Then we'll get 600, because a nothing but in this variable we have stored this 30, and one thing is equal to also one operator. This is assignment operator. In below in this video we will discuss about this also. Whenever we use this equal to operator and assign that to any variable, this is we already discussed. This is way of we declare variable in Python. Likewise, there are different types of operators are there in Python. The first one is arithmetic operators, assignment operators, comparison operators, logical operators, membership operators, identity operators, bitwise operators. In this video, I will explain all these operators except this bitwise operator. Bitwise operator is little bit tricky. We need to do number system. Like in number system, we have binary, decimal, octa, hexadecimal things are there. First of all, we need to know that to work with bitwise operations. So I will do separate videos in coming. So except this one, we will discuss all these things. Let's discuss one by one. First one, arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operators are used to perform common mathematical operations. Common mathematical operations like plus for addition, minus for subtraction, this asterisk symbol for multiplication, this forward slash is for division, and this percentile for module. Module means it will give the only remainder. In division, it will in module it will provide only remainder. Exponent means it will give the exponents. Like for example, if you provided 5 exponent of 2, then it will give 5 to the power of 2 value. Like that you can mention. If you give 5 exponential 5, then it will provide output as output of 5 to the power of 5. That value it will provide. I will show an example. And this double forward slash will be give the floor division. I will give brief discussion what exactly division and what exactly floor division in this below. Let's go for examples. Here first is addition operations. Here I am declaring a variable a is equal to 10 and b is equal to 20. This is declaration of variable as I have already explained. And now I am doing multi addition operation. Just this thing you will get the addition. 10 plus 20 is 30. And same if you we can do subtraction also. You will get minus 10, means 10 minus 20 will give minus 10. And next one is multiplication. If you want to do multiplication, we need to use asterisk. That is 200. Answer 10 into 20 is equal to 200, as we know that. And this division, if you want to perform division operations, we need to provide forward slash. Now 0.5, we know that. If you change this to 100 and if you do that, I get 5. This is division. And then after modulus, if you want to get only remainder, then we will use modulus. Because 0, there is no modulus there, because this is forfeit will be come. If you do this one, then 11 will come. Yeah, this will give remainder, because if you do 20 divided by 11, the remainder will be this triple one, then remainder will be 11, as we know that. That module means it will give the only remainder. And exponent means, for example, if I put 8 2 and give 10, then if you want to find the exponent here, exponent will give the power of that. Double asterisk we need to mention, and 100, because 10 to the power of 2 is that much. If you want to change it, if you 2 power 10, 1024, it will give 2 to the power of 10th value, 2 to the power of 10th. Like here you can see 5 exponent of 2 means 5 to the power of 2. Like that, if you give 2 asterisk double asterisk 10, that means 2 to the power of 10th value it will give. That is value 1024. And coming to this floor division, first of all I will again give example of division, then you will get the value output clearly. If I mention 10 triple 1 here and mention 2 as a b, and if you perform just division, then I will get the fraction float value as a output. If I say perform double asterisk, that means double forward slash, means it is floor division. If you perform this, then I will get only 55. That means the difference between the division and floor division is 1 minute. Division and floor division. The difference between the division and floor division is division will give fraction values. That means it will provide float. For example, if I store this in other variable like c, and if you want to find the type of c, you know that type will give the data type of that value. It will get float. Like that, if I store this in t and we want to find the type of this t, it will provide int. That is the difference. Division will provide output as a int float, and floor division will provide output as a int. That's it. Now we can use this floor division whenever situations like we don't need to care about the fraction, we just need to care about the whole value. That time you can use floor division whenever the situations like you wanted to find the fraction also, so that time we can take the division. Next one is assignment operator. Assignment operators are used to assign a value to variable. Nothing but the name suggests assignment operators are nothing but these assignment operators we can use it to assign a value to variable. This is nothing but we can say variable declaration. In our variable declaration, what we have done is this with a variable name and equal to and that value. Here this equal to is assignment operator. You can see first operator is equal to. If you want to assign any value to any variable, you can use this. If I print a, then I will get the value this one. If I print a, then I will get the value 10. So that means this variable declaration also done by using assignment operation. This by equal to means this is one of the operator in assignment operator. If you want to assign this a to b, we can do that also. If b is equal to a, means the b value also will get 10. Okay, this is just assignment operator. Here there are different types of assignment operators are there. You can use plus equal to, addition assignment, equal to, subtraction, multiplication, and module, this modulus, exponent, floor division, and division. I will show for plus what exactly this operator is, how it is work. Same way for all operators will same way it will work. So I will show for plus equal to. For this I will declare two variables, that is I will declare two variables a is equal to 10 and b is equal to 20. This is just a variable declaration, as you know that. As before assignment, in arithmetic operation, we have plus is there now. If you want to add this, we can use a plus b, right? This is 30. And if we want to store this in same variable like a, then we will work like this. Now the a value will be changed. Now a is equal to 30 because we are doing this and this output is storing into a. If we want to do this thing in another way, we can do that. Another way is this plus equal to, and if I do same thing, I declare that variable, and instead of this I will do like a plus equal to b, and now value is 30. Have you observed this? What is happening? If you write this, backend will work like this. This way of representation of this assignment operator. If you use plus equal to, that will do the this, take this value and do that operation with this value, that is a plus b, and then after it will assign that value to this value. This will be backend happen. If you same way, if you want to do the subtraction, we can mention minus here. If you mention minus, then minus 10 will come answer. Likewise, if you want to do multiplication and assignment to the first variable, then we can use 200. This is nothing but a simple assignment operator. Here equal to is very important. By using equal to, we can assign any value to variable. Even variable declaration also done by using assignment operators in Python. Next one, comparison operator. Comparison operators are used to compare two values or variables. It will produce or return true or false according to the condition. It means, for example, in above examples, like in assignment operator, there is nothing output will become, like, because we are assigning. Even if you do here this thing, this won't produce any output. Whenever we call this value, we will get the output. So the here output nothing will be get. We are storing the value into another variable. So whenever we execute this, we won't get any output. There is no output for assignment operator, but output will be stored into another variable. That will be happen in assignment operator. Coming to arithmetic operator, the output must be in numeric format. Like if you do, for example, if you take a is equal to 100 and b is equal to 300, and if I do addition, then I will produce output as 400. Okay, this here, if I want to store this into t, this is called assignment operation. There is no output. But coming to comparison operators, the output is either in true or false only. There is no value will be come as an output. There is only boolean values will be come as an output whenever we use comparison operators. They're also called relation operators. Why we call comparison operators also relation operator means it will give the relationship between the two variables. Either their two variables are equal or not equal, or which either one variable is greater than or one variable less than or greater than or equal to or less than or equal to. We already learned these things in our school days. These are comparison operator. First one is equal to. It will give true whenever two values are same. If it will true like false whenever two values are not equal. That time we can use not equal. In below, I will give the example. Then you will get the very clear clarity. As of now, just remember these assignment of comparison operations are there in Python. Now I will show example. A is equal to 100 and B is equal to 200. If I do this comparison equal to operation, double equal to in Python we need to use, and if you view, it will give false because this 100 won't be equal to B 200, so it will give false. This is the value. If I change this to 100, then it will give true because these are two. And coming to not equal to, this not equal to is opposite to equal. Whenever the both values are equal, that time it will give true. But in not equal to, whenever these are not equal to, that time it will give true. These are equal, and we are comparing not equal because they are equal, so that they won't be not equal. If it changes to 200, then it will give true. I think it is very easy to understand, and we have already learned these things from schooling days. Like equal is give true whenever those two values A and B are same values. Whenever they are not same, it will give false. And not equal to, it is different, vice versa. And next one is greater than. Like if I say A greater than B, this is false because we know that 100 is less than 200. But what I am here saying, 100 is greater than B. This is false. If I use less than, then I will get true because we know that 10 is less than 200 because 200 is greater than 100. So this way the greater than and less than are work. And if you mention 100, then it will give false because here these are equal. We are saying it must be greater than. If instead of equal to, if I mention instead of greater than, less than, if I mention equal to also, then it will become true. This is the difference between the greater than and greater than or equal to. Greater than or equal to means nothing. Whenever they are equal to also, it will give the true. If I give less than, that time also it will become of true only because this equal to is there. If I remove this equal to, then it will become false because they are equal. There is no less than and greater than policies are there applied. So here it won't provide any value. It will provide only Boolean values. Here I will write a small code, then you will get the use of this comparison operators. And I am telling guys, comparison operations are very useful in programming language because most of the conditions will be work on comparison operators only. And here I just want to show some small code to get to know the importance of comparison operators. The example is I need to take the age of the person. Either here we need to enter age of the person, like age is equal to, like I will take 18. As we know that as the Indian policy, election policies, the person who want to do vote, the person age must be greater than or equal to 18. So here I will write a Python code which will take age as an input, not input. I will give the age of the person. Based on the age, our code will be give either that person is eligible to vote or that they are not eligible to vote. So here we use if condition. This we haven't discussed in our videos. In coming videos, I will explain this condition statement and iterative statements. But as of now, just understand if this age is greater than or equal to 18, then we need to print he can vote, and I will put else. Don't worry guys, I will explain these things very clearly in coming videos, but as of now, here I have used this comparison operators. Based on comparison, if it is true, then only this will got executed. If it is false, then the else statement will be executed. He can't because he was not eligible to vote as for Indian Indian rules we can mention. So here I have entered 18. So this person is eligible. He can vote. The output is he can vote. If you want, if I can change this to 100, he can absolutely he can do vote. For example, the person who is like 17 years old, this person is can't vote. He can't he can't he can't because he was not eligible to vote as per Indian rules. So what happening here, it will take this age and do the comparison operator. So if you take this 18 and if you do here, if you copy this, you will get the idea. Here it will give the false. It produce false means what happening, it won't execute this statement. It go for this statement only. If for example this I mention like 23, now it will show like he can vote. Why it show he can vote? Because it's giving true. So based on this condition, we can produce anything. It's all about comparison operators. So far we have learned about arithmetic operators, assignment operators, comparison operator. That's it for this video. In next video I will explain remain types of operators. Bye for now. Let's meet in next video.